Hello, welcome back again to my cooking channel, and today I'm gonna raising up about the noodle, egg and butter. So I'm gonna mix like that. Okay, so let's continue with me. Okay guys, now let's move to the step of my cooking. The first, I'm gonna make the fire and then put the pan top of the fire and let it dry. Okay. Absolutely dry. Put inside oil. Noodle, and fry like this until it's crispy. We're gonna check from side to side. Okay, that's good all. Yeah, this one. Oh my god, coloring is so good. Okay, let them. We're gonna put more butter. Move to this one. Oh. The last. Okay. The side is so good, so no need to change. And I'm gonna put inside here. Here I put. Oh. Move to another one. Okay, my egg is good enough for change that side. Okay, oh, this one also. The last, you can see. So the last, I'm gonna take it from the pan. Finish. Okay guys, now my noodle is all done for eating, for tasting with me. Okay, let's enjoy. Oh, you can see, that's so yummy guys. Just to cover that. Okay, I'm gonna test this one. Wow, I like it. Wow. Yeah, the taste is good, really acceptable. And I hope that you enjoy this one. Don't forget to click subscribe for the next video. See you guys!